Okay, so we're in the dashboard for Vidmonial, and as you can see, there's some campaigns that have been created, and there's some received Vidmonials down here as well. And you can see like this one here, leave a review for the Paleo Diet Course, Paleo Solutions Lifetime Membership, leave a review for the Paleo blah, blah, blah. Okay, and so you get a generated link, which is right here, that you can actually use to collect the Vidmonials. Now, this program here allows you to collect the video testimonials. It allows you to edit the video testimonials. It allows you to display the video testimonials on your website, all so that you can start to get more social proof, get more of those video testimonials. And by the way, you get those video testimonials, you can embed them in places, you can put them on YouTube, you can rank them, you can do all sorts of great things. I love testimonials, and any of you who have worked with me before, you know that video testimonials are really a big, big deal. And this helps you to do that all in one place. So let's take a look at the actual page. So this is the page that we just showed you, which is the one right here. You leave a review for the Paleo Diet Course. And so we can come in here and we can put in a name, we can put in an email, just like so, if I can type. You can come down here and leave a comment. This is great. And you can leave a rating. We'll do a nice 4.5-star review. Now, if you've already recorded your video testimonial on YouTube, you can actually just paste the YouTube URL here, or you can record a live testimonial by clicking here, okay, and then hitting start recording. And it's going to ask you if they can use your microphone and camera. You just can hit allow. And there's me. Hi, how's it going? And so now I can do this recording here, which is already going. So I just want to say that this product was really awesome. I loved it. And I hope everybody goes out and spends every dime they have, mortgages their house to buy this, because it is so freaking awesome. All right. And there we go. So we stopped the recording.
And there's me.
Hi, how's it going? And so now I can do this recording here, which is already going. So I just want to say that this product was really awesome. I loved it. And I hope everybody goes out and spends every dime they have, mortgages their house to buy this, because it is so freaking awesome. Down so we don't hear it. All right. And so there we go. We see there's the video testimonial. We got the 4.5 stars. I didn't put my picture in there, which I should have, by the way. In the last page, I could have actually added my logo, and I skipped that step. So my apologies there. But we'll hit submit, and we'll let that go into the system. It'll take just a few minutes. And so I'm going to pause this video while the video gets put into the system, and then we'll check it out. Okay, so now you can see it says, thanks for leaving your review. Download your bonus below. Here's the link to your bonus, and now you can download the Paleo ebook here. And then in just a few minutes, it will show up in here as well. And of course, once these are in here, you can come in and you can view any of these. So we'll hit the view button here, and you can see here's one of the reviews, 4.5 stars. The program is very good. Highly recommend. Okay. And again, you can come in here. Got another one, same guy. And of course, with any of these, you can choose whether or not you want these to be displayed. So if you've got your testimonials being displayed automatically on your website, you can turn on and off any of these. So now there's 2 of these that would show up if you got, let's say you've got the script on your site and it's showing the first, the next 5 videos. Well, if one of these is a 1-star and it says, to drop dead and all that kind of stuff, you can just come in here and turn it off. Boop, and then it's not going to show up on there. And you can control it all from within here and have those Vidmonials on your site. Okay, so very, very cool the way you can do that. Coming into here, again, you got your public link. You put this onto the site here. You can also edit any of these by clicking on here and making any changes that you want. So you can select your bonus in here. You can choose the bonus type, product, recipe, music, movie, book. Okay, you can use the default thank you page, which is you just put in the headline and you put the download your bonus below. Or you can use a custom thank you page if you want to create your own. Now, personally, I would just use the default thank you because, quite honestly, it's perfectly fine. It's legitimate for exactly what you need. Again, description can be changed in here, title, product name, etc. You can also change the image in here, and then you can either update or cancel any changes. And it's the same if you start a brand new one. You're just going to have blanks here, and you fill those in, and you'll have your campaign up in literally just a couple of moments, and people can leave those video testimonials. So it's a very, very cool little product there. Once we get into this, you can see if we go to the testimonials area, you can see your received testimonials by clicking here, and you can see mine is now in here. Okay, so if we want to turn that on, boop, we just turn it on. And again, you can come in here, you can share this. Facebook, Twitter, email, Pinterest. Okay, you could delete it. You can click here and send it to YouTube, which is very cool. Or you can download it by clicking here and then do whatever you want with it. And of course, you can view it by clicking there. And there we are. So we'll close that. So all of these things can be done. And of course, with testimonials, I love testimonials because they're, something that comes from a person that's not part of the organization. So it's not me telling you about me. It's somebody else telling you about their experience with me. And I love that. And the ability to use that on something like YouTube and rank it for a keyword, you got it down there. If you're in our case, we've got a lot of testimonials for some of our lawyers, and we're able to say, best whatever personal injury lawyer, and it's a testimonial from somebody that holds a lot of weight. And when it ranks really well and it's a testimonial, it really can help, to get people to take an action. So we absolutely love the testimonials there. Okay, so coming back into here, you can create an on-site campaign by clicking here. And this is where you can put the domain URL, select the campaign. So you can see we got the campaigns in here. The number of testimonials, optional. You can leave this empty to show all, but let's say you only wanted to show 3. You can put 3 in there. And you can allow people to leave a review right from that page. So when you use this, you're going to generate this script. Okay, oops, let's put a domain in here. Just like so. TheVideoGuide.com. We're going to generate a script. Okay, and you can see here's the script here. Leave a review for the paleo course. And so now we can embed this script. You can see what it'll look like there. Okay, and we can generate that and put that onto the website so that this will show up right on the website and people can actually take a look and see the reviews. And then when they like the reviews, they can buy the products from you. Okay, so there's the script. So you can see a CSS for the testimonials, scripts for the testimonials, and HTML for the testimonials. And then you would just embed that into your site in order to get that on there. And of course, if you need any help with that, you can come here to the help section and you can get tips and training on how to do exactly that and embed it into your website. And so it's very, very easy to make sure that you get a really good testimonial system right on your own website. Very, very cool stuff. And so over here, you have your bonuses area where you can add new bonuses, or you can view the bonuses that you already have. Like you can see that paleo book from the one that we created earlier. So if we want to come in here, we can do add new bonus, and you would come in here, give this bonus a name, give the access URL. So this would be wherever that bonus is stored. So if you got it stored on Amazon S3 or Dropbox, you would put that here. Put the description, add your image, and boom, you got another bonus that you can give away in order to get people to leave more reviews. So very cool stuff. And then over here, you've got your video editor where you can edit your videos, or you can see the edited videos, which this one, we don't have any in there right now. But we can come in here, we can edit a video, and you can see here's the videos that we've got in here. So if we were to grab, for instance, my video and hit edit, and in just a few moments, your video will pop up in here inside the video editor, where you can make some cool changes like adding rectangles and circles and stars, add text, add images, music, delete anything that you're working on, and save. And anything that you're working on inside of here, you can adjust with the adjustment tools over on the right-hand side. So if we wanted to add some text to this, we could click this here, and we could say something like testimonial, just like so. And if we don't like that text the way it is, we can come here, we can choose one of the other fonts here. And we'll go with the Satisfy one, it's kind of crazy. And if we want to change the color, we can do that. This is the stroke, this is the fill. So if we come in here and we change the fill to a red color, just like so, you can see it's starting to look pretty good there. We could also add a stroke to that, maybe with the black here, and then we could blow this up a little bit, just so that stands out just a little tiny bit. We can come down here, bring our testimonial in, and boom, there we go. Now, if we want to, we can also add maybe a border around this whole thing by clicking on this here, and we can resize this, make it nice and big. And this will make it really stand out when you get into YouTube or even in social media like Facebook. This will really help to make the video stand out by putting a border around it. And of course, just like with the text, you can come in here and you can make changes to that border. You can change the color if you wanted to. You can, if you remember the hex code from there, you could actually use the hex code to match it up with the text, but that's close enough for us here. And of course, if you want to add anything else like an image, so for instance, if you have a logo, you could upload an image. You could even search for an image. So we'll just search for now, we'll say monkey. I don't know why picture of me makes me think of a monkey, but we'll find a monkey. There we go. And our logo, for whatever reason, is this monkey here. And so we could put him on the corner here, just like we would any other logo. And there we go. Beautiful. We could even make it a little bigger if we wanted to. Why the monkey's there, I don't know, but it's kind of cool. So that's how you can adjust this to kind of make it stand out by putting a logo on the image, putting what it is, a testimonial, and then putting a nice border around it that really gets people's attentions. You can get even more creative with this. And again, you can add music if you wanted to. So just a very cool way to be able to edit your videos so that you can use it and have it really stand out. And then we can save that just by clicking the button here. And you can see it's loading up the video. You can kind of see it moving in the background there. And in just a few minutes, we'll have a testimonial that has some cool text and borders and a monkey on it that we can then embed onto the website. Once we're done editing the video, it'll show up in the edited videos area, and you'll see that you can get an embed code specifically for that video that you can then embed in your site. So if we click on that here, it'll bring us to the embed page here. And notice up here, you can actually choose how you want this to look. So right now, this is set to side by side, but you can set it to up and down. You can set it to video left. You can set it to only text or only video. Now, personally, for me, I think I like this particular one here. So if I wanted to embed this into the website, once again, I would click this here to be able to grab the scripts that we can add to our site. Now, what I want to do here is I want to actually come in and do this for all of my embedded videos. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit your on-site campaign. And again, you're going to see the campaigns that we've created in here. And this is the one that we created a few minutes ago. So we're going to grab the embedded script for this by coming over here. And again, we can choose how we want this to look. I like the up and down look. And so this is what we're going to get out of that. If we wanted to do video left or only text, we could do so, or only video, or again, the side by side. I like the up and down, so we're going to stick with that there. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit generate script. And so now I'm going to add this script to my website and we'll see exactly how this will look.